How to turn Dropbox into a virtual drive with AirLive Drive. Download and install AirLive Drive. Visit the official website and install the application on your Windows. Add your Dropbox account. Open AirLive Drive and add your Dropbox account. Assign a drive letter to Dropbox. Choose a drive letter, E, to represent your Dropbox storage. Mount the drive. Click Connect to turn Dropbox into a virtual drive. It will now appear in File Explorer like any other disk. Work directly with your Dropbox files. You can now open files, edit documents, move folders, save changes. All operations happen directly in the cloud, without syncing or downloading.